Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a girl, NonoObi. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button there so you don't forget, and of course slam the notification bell there so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Yes guys, today's video it's gonna just be a regular kind of video because you guys saw me the video I plucked apples, right? So in today's video I'm gonna be blending those apples and I'm gonna be drinking it. See guys, that apple tree, I wish there's a way I can carry the apple tree like this, carry it on my head like this and bring it to my homeland. Seriously, you see that apple, one like this is very expensive, I'm telling you. And here the apple is just wasting, the pigeon is feeding on it, it's just doing anything. In fact, they're just dealing with the tree and doing anything that they like. It's so annoying. Like as I speak now, apple still food the tree and I cannot even pluck it. In fact, I'm tired of plucking, I'm tired of making juice, I'm tired of drinking juice. I'm tired of making juice, I'm tired of drinking juice. Anybody that wants to pluck should come and pluck. Seriously, because even the sight of the pigeons feeding on it is even making me very angry. Like I wish there's a way I can just preserve it there, like preserve it, cover it with nylon, then nothing happens to it, the pigeons doesn't infest on it, then the apple itself doesn't ripe and fall off and spoil. Just preserve it there, I'm telling you. And I can't do any of those, so it's so annoying. So the ones I plucked the other day, obviously I've finished it, I've shared it out, and yeah. Basically the one I plucked yesterday, because I love to press the juice when they're still fresh. Like I don't like to pluck it and leave it for some days, but I've tried plucking it, leaving it for some days, then pressing the juice. It was not juicy anymore, the water has dried, it just came out very mucoish. Yes, it just came out very mucoish. That type is the one you can give a baby to, you know, a baby that's still weaning. That's the way it came out, very, you know, very mucoish and stuff like that. So I realized afterwards, after the more juice I have done from the apple. Yes, this is not the first juice I've done from the apple, obviously. I'm just trying to show you guys today. So after that I realized immediately I pluck it, it shouldn't be more than 2 to 3 days, then I just have to press out the juice and use it right away. Yeah, so this is the one I got yesterday, which was Sunday. I don't know when this video is going up, but I plucked this one yesterday, which was Sunday, and today I'm gonna make juice out of it and I'm gonna just drink it and enjoy myself. Oh my guys, so guys, hope you've seen the other video I just uploaded. Now I just uploaded a video how to create a Google account, and of course how to create your own YouTube channel 2023 2022, and start shooting that video and start doing that thing you feel you can do. Okay, don't wait for anybody. Okay, the platform is big enough for all of us. All right, so guys, without further ado, let's go together. I'm gonna press the juice. I'm gonna press it. Oh yeah, let's go. Into this nylon. I use this nylon to go pluck it. I don't know if I can finish the whole of the apple. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. This is much. Filled up this place. I don't know. I have to wash one after the other. This is salt. So guys, this is gonna be a very long walk, long stuff today,
because the worst part is that I even have to finish this before this kids come back to school, because once they come back to school, I don't think it's visible to continue. So that is really the beautiful story behind the whole thing. Yeah, I have to do whatever I'm doing before this kids return. Yeah. Guys, I just love the way this actually separates the shaft from the liquid entirely. Like, I love it. It's so easy, not like the other ones that after blending you start sieving out the water. I just love the way this particular one just takes out the shaft the other way around, just the other way, takes it out, squeezes it out and takes it out entirely. You can see it just squeezes out the water, separates it from the shaft, and does its job. Now to just put it in and cook your juice. You can see, just water. So I love to store it here because the cover is airtight cover. So I love to store it here, and this knock is just I love to store it here, and this knock is just perfect for it because this is airtight knock. Yes, it's airtight. Once you pin it down, air can't pass through. It helps to preserve the juice as well. And you can see, guys, I still have most of this apple here. This juice, these apples are still very much, guys. You can see I still have most of them here, which I'll do gradually, because leaving it on camera is like repeating everything I'm just doing right now. And we're just gonna test this apple juice. So guys, I can't tell you guys how sweet this apple is because I don't know the species of this apple. I just don't know the species of this apple, but it's very, very, very sweet. It's very sweet. So just add your blocks in here and just put in your apple. Guys, this is so sweet. So yummy. I'm back. This call took this call took long time, but you wouldn't know, of course, because I'm doing a video. So guys, I'll go and continue to enjoy my juice. Of course, do more of it and preserve it in more of this juice airtight container, which I usually use. You can buy it in IKEA or any chicken store. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.